to go around the edges with some blue. Do a little circle around it. Clouds that kind of represent the sky. Then I like to do a couple little starbursts kind of around it. Remember, we still have the stencil on there. You want to kind of do all of these different things while you have the stencil still on there. Then we have another stencil we're going to use over here. Put that on. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is take a little bit of green. I'm going to fade some green in the inside of that as well, around the edges of the circle, just to kind of give it a little bit of pop. Take our stencil off, and then we have our outline